During a networking interaction or business meeting, someone may share their paper business card with you. With INSTAACARD, you can save that contact digitally. OCR is one of the unique features available with INSTAACARD that helps you scan a paper business card and save the contact details in your directory. Open the INSTAACARD app and go to the OCR scanner. Scan the business card. Using AI, INSTAACARD extracts the contact details from the card, including the name, phone number, email, company, website, address, etc. Once the details appear, check the information and edit anything if required. Then tap Save. The contact is now saved in your directory. Open the directory to view your saved contact list and access the contact whenever you need it. You can also edit the saved details or use the Save to Phone option to add the contact directly to your phone. With INSTAACARD, paper business cards from networking interactions and business meetings can be saved and managed digitally in one place.